inspiring. So, again, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat for sharing your time, expertise, and experiences. Our media partners, patient groups, clinicians, caregivers, and advocates. Our goal today was clear: to raise awareness on rare diseases in the Philippines and push for the acceleration of equitable care. What we heard moves us from awareness to promise and hopefully action. Thank you to Dr. Lani, Dr. Donna, Dr. Ludi for helping ground us in the reality. Too many Filipinos face years of uncertainty, multiple referrals, and misdiagnosis. Ms. Ara, Ms. Helen, thank you so much for sharing your courage and journey that inspires.